Okay, so today we are going to be doing lesson 12, and we are going to be reading pages 28 through 29 in our textbooks, and we are going to be doing activity page 21 in our activity books. All right, so last week we talked about communities. So somebody tell me something about your community. Zoe?
My community is very helpful and noisy.
They're very helpful and noisy. Okay, anybody else? You have anything else about your community, Justin? Your community is fun. Do you play with your neighbors a lot? Oh, okay, they're just fun. All right, Azella? Yours fun? Yeah, that's good. And it's noisy? A little bit? All right. Okay, so a neighborhood has many people and places. Do you have a lot of people in your neighborhood? Yeah? I don't, because I have a rural neighborhood and there's not really a lot of people around me. So I don't really have a noisy neighborhood, but I have a nice neighborhood. They always ask if anybody needs help, so they're very kind. All right, so we're going to read our pages in the book, and then we're going to do our activity pages, okay? So I want everybody to follow along in the book. Yes, so? Today is 9:21. Make sure your 9 is facing the correct direction. All right, I'm going to go ahead and read so you follow along. All right, this lesson is called In Your Neighborhood. You and the people who live and work around you are in a neighborhood. Communities are made up of many neighborhoods. Sometimes your neighbors become your good friends. Your neighborhood might have mostly houses. It might also have a school, some churches, and a grocery store. It might have a park where you can swing or walk your dog or even play soccer. So what are some things that are in your community? In your community where you live, what are some things that are around you? I need some people to give me some examples. Adrian, cool. There's a school? Cool. What about you, Azella? You have a nice neighbor in your neighborhood? Okay. What else is in our neighborhood, Zoe? Okay, and I know in my neighborhood, even though it's a rural neighborhood, I have a church in my neighborhood. Yeah, I do. It's right down the street from my house. All right, so we're going to look at page 29. All right.
You live in the country?
Yeah, I do live in the country, yep. All right, so page 29. It says Rivercrest Neighborhood. Everybody see that? All right, let me read this for you. Here is a map of a neighborhood. It has a grid. A map grid is made up of lines that form squares. The letters and numbers on the grid help you find places. Put a letter and a number together. Place your finger on the letter and slide up the map until it lines up with the number. You have found a square on the grid. What do you see in that square? Now, find a place on the map. Slide your finger to its letter, then slide your finger to its number. Which square is it in? All right, so what is a map grid made up of? We just read it. It's, Zoe?
It's made up of lines.
Lines and letters and numbers. I need you to wake up, guys. Come on. I know it's Monday morning, but wake up. All right. What is used to find places on a map grid? I just said it. Zoe? Yeah, but it's lines and numbers and letters, right, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, does anybody know what the difference between a neighborhood and a community is? No? All right. A community is made up of many neighbors. Whoop. You okay? All right. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and move to our activity page. And this is page 21, and it says lesson 12 at the bottom, and it's called Finding Places. So we are going to take a look at a map grid on this page. Everybody paying attention, sitting up, ready to learn? How do I know that? Yes. Okay, so a map grid. If you look at your paper, you see a map grid. A map grid is a map made up of lines that form squares to help you locate places. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at number 1. Everybody looking at number 1? All right, what is located in A2? So what we're going to do is we are going to look at letter A, and we're going to go up to the number 2. So we're going to go here. What's located in number 2? Is it a bush or a tree? Justin?
Bush.
A bush is located there. So what we're going to do is we are going to fill in where it says a bush. All right, everybody got that done? Okay. Okay, we're going to move down to number 2. What is located in C4? Sorry, I couldn't read it. What's located in C4? So if we're here at C and we go all the way up to 4, Logan, is it a well or is it a man?
A well.
A well. So what we're going to do is we are going to fill in the circle next to a well. Anybody want to volunteer to do the next one?
Mm-hmm.
Adrian. All right. So we're on number 3. It says, what is located in D1? So we're going to go to D and we're going to go to 1. Is that a river or a house, Adrian?
A house.
A house, yes. So we are going to fill in the circle next to a house. All right, one moment. All right, does anybody want to volunteer to do number 4, Zoe? It says, where is the temple located? All right, so where is the temple located? This is the temple right here. This is the temple.
D3.
Yep, D3. So everybody needs to fill in the circle next to D3. All right. Zella, I want you to do number 5. Is that okay? All right. So number 5 says, where is the boy located? So the boy is right here. Let me circle. The boy is right here. So where is he located, Azella? He's located in B. In what number is he located in? B1, yes. The boy is located in B1. All right, and that's it for our lesson today.